Hey, howdy, hey y'all, Leanna here. It's another edition of What's on the Porch, and today I have not one, but two Eyescream Beauty Boxes for the month of April. Why, you ask? Well, because Eyescream Beauty accidentally sent me two of them. And I'll get into all of that in a minute. But first, let's see what's in the box. Here's what it looks like. It's got the little peanuts in them, and these are made out of cornstarch, so they are environmentally friendly, which I absolutely love. One of these boxes is mine, and we'll talk about what I'm going to do with the other one because I don't need two boxes. Eyescream Beauty is a monthly subscription box. It has mostly makeup. Sometimes you will get some skincare. There is guaranteed to be a palette in every box, and Eyescream Beauty Box is one of my absolute favorite subscription boxes out of all the ones that I have. It is $25 a month. That includes free shipping, and you get 5 to 7 beauty skincare items every month, and they're full size. They also have a bag, and the bag I believe is $12.50, and that has 3 to 5 products in it as well. I normally sign up for 6 months at a time. I believe that gives me a little bit of a discount. I think it ends up being like $23. Let me check. Yep, $23 because I signed up for 6 months. I had already opened my box and I had done a video, and I have no idea. I cannot find that video anywhere. So as I'm showing you the products, they're not in the actual boxes. I do not want to pull the products out of that box for a special reason, but here's the card that comes with the box, and it says, April, you're blooming. And the first thing in the box is this beautiful Ace Beauty Quintessential palette. I love the packaging on this. Ace Beauty is a cruelty-free brand. They're also a Black-owned beauty brand. It does not have a mirror in it, which I love. I don't use the mirrors in my palette, so I'm perfectly okay with them not having one, and I absolutely love that design. And here's the palette itself. Look at how pretty it is. And this is the look that I created with it, and I'll show you how I did that as we talk about the palette. First off, I'm going to take this Patchouli shade, and I'm going to use that to set my eyeshadow primer and also as a transition shade. Next, I'm going to go into the Clove shade, and I'm going to put that in my crease and just above my crease. This Quintessential palette came out in 2017, and it is actually on sale. I checked today, Sunday, the 24th of April, and it is on sale on the Ace Beauty website. It's 30% off. It's $27.29. It normally retails for $40. Next, I'm going to go into Tangerine, and I'm going to use that in my outer V and also a little into my crease. And now I'm going to go into Cinnamon, and I'm going to pack that on my outer lid. Then I'm going to go into Neroli, and I'm going to take a liner brush and just put that in my lash line as kind of like a liner. And now I'm going to take this bergamot color. It's very, very pretty shimmer, and I'm going to first attempt to put that on with my finger, which worked fairly well, but then I wanted to try the brush because sometimes you have a hard time getting those types of shadows on with a brush, and the brush worked really well. And now I'm going to take this Mandarin shade on this little Rephr brush, and I'm going to put that in my inner corner. I'm going to pick up this Berry shade and use it along my lower lash. And now I'm going to use this Jasmine shade in my inner corner as a highlight. and also along my brow. These shadows performed extremely well. I love Ace Beauty. It is in the very top 10 of the brands that I love. I am slowly working my way into collecting all of these palettes. Beautiful, beautiful palette. They blend it out like a dream, as you can see. And I had no fallout until I got to that tangerine color. And then I had just a little bit of fallout, which I easily brushed away. The next item in my box is this Bombshell Eye Base. It retails for $14 and it is in the shade Big Teal. And I am not going to use this today because I was testing out a eyeshadow primer. So, and I knew that this would not actually go with the color choices that I picked out of the quintessential palette, but look at how pretty that is. Let's swatch it. It's very, very creamy. Very, very pretty. I am excited to use that. I'm going to leave it there on my hand. We'll see if it dries down at all. And then we have this Bellapierre Banana Setting Powder. It retails for $30. And I don't normally use a banana powder, so I'm not going to open this one either. I will put this in your giveaway box. But I do know that Bellapierre is a really good brand. I do have some of their products and I really do like them. The next product in the box is this Marabella Iconic eyeliner and stamp, I believe. Winged liner and stamp kit. And this retails for $20. And I am going to use this. I know that I already have my mascara on, but that's okay. You don't have to do things in a certain order. It is shrink wrapped, and I'm just going to pull that off so you know that it is safety sealed. I believe that I've had this before, but I couldn't find it. I may have given it to my daughter because months ago I thought that I could not use any type of winged liner, and come to find out that I could. So it has the liner on one end and the wing stamp on the other. And that's what the stamp looks like. It's just a stamp there. And then here is the eyeliner pin. So we'll just put that on even though I have black. That black shadow on, but this will just make it deeper. See how easy that went on? Super easy. I really do like these felt tip pins. They make putting your eyeliner on so easy. So much better than those little brushes. I don't like the little brushes. See, super quick. Look how pretty that is. And now I'm just going to take the stamp and we'll stamp it right there. There's one. And then we'll just turn it and stamp it on the other. And then we'll take our pen and connect the dots. Fill in any little lines where my crinkles and wrinkles are. And there we go. Winged liner at 57 with all of my wrinkles. Who knew? And the last item in the box is this Girlac Rose Oil Petal Gloss. It retails for $20. And I have used this already and really enjoyed it. I know a lot of people don't like the scent of rose, and it has a very light rose scent and it didn't last long, so I'm just going to pat it over my lipstick because I don't want to wipe that off, although that's not transferring hardly at all. So, but it's very pretty and it's not sticky. It feels really good. I really do like it. So the value of my box came to $124. You can't beat that for $23 is what I paid for it. This is still feeling just a little tacky, but look at how easily it blends out. That really is pretty. I will leave a link down below so that you can go check out Eyescream Beauty if you are not subscribed. And now let's find out what we're gonna do with this other box. I did cut the tape on the box and open it, as you saw, because I didn't know what was going on or why I had received another box, and I thought surely my May box is not that early, but it is in fact an April box. And I sent Eyescream Beauty an email and told them that I had received another April box, and they said, yep, that was a mistake on our part. You can just keep it, give it away, do whatever you want to with it. So I'm gonna do a giveaway. All you have to do is go down in the comment section and leave a comment with the word ice cream in it in a complete sentence, and that will enter you into the giveaway. This giveaway will run from now, today is Sunday, until next Sunday. What date is that? That would be the 1st of May until May Day. And on that day, I will use a random comment picker and I will choose a winner. This giveaway is only offered to those of you that live in the United States. I won't be able to ship this one out international. YouTube nor Eyescream Beauty has anything to do with this giveaway. Well, Eyescream kind of does, because they accidentally sent me a box. I can't say that I paid for this one, but they are not sponsoring this video, nor are they sponsoring this giveaway. All of the other rules for the giveaway will be linked down in the description box below. You can read those. You must be 18 years of age or older to enter into the giveaway. There you go. Eyescream Beauty Box, one of my favorite subscription boxes, and I love everything that I got in this box. Love this palette. Look at how pretty that is with my eyeliner stamp. If you enjoyed my video, show that like button some love. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are, and we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for, pull your makeup out and play with it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Christopher, if you subscribe to Eyescream Beauty Box, you could be a bombshell while you're fishing with this big teal. Big teal. That's almost like a fishing lie, you know, like the big bass, except for this is big teal. And you would have some nice rose gloss to keep your lips from drying out while you're in the sun fishing. So there's all the healthy reasons why you should subscribe to Eyescream. Okay? Mama loves you, boo.